Hi, M5765. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Violi Corpus. I'm 45 years old. I live in Linao East, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. I'm married. I have three children, ages 18, 16, and 13. I am a Roman Catholic. My birthday is August 5, 1980.
Your educational attainment.
I finished my 2-year course in computer science and technology. I have work experience in Hong Kong for 5 months. I served two families, ages 53 and 54
50,
and
53 and 52.
52. I
Okay.
also have experience in Kuwait for 2 years. Finished contract. I served three family. I took care of a 2-year-old boy. And I also have experience in
By the way, why suddenly break the contract on your first employer in Hong Kong?
uh, because my family problem.
You have a family, but your employer know about this.
Yes,
Okay. Then you have employer in Kuwait, right?
yes.
Okay. Your next employer.
I have work experience in Hong Kong also. Uh, I served three member of the family. I took care 7 years old boy, and I also have
What household chores did you do?
I'll do washing, tutoring the kid, and cook also, and car wash.
Okay. Then on another country, why suddenly terminated the contract?
Because they are relocated in China.
Okay, then you have another employer then.
Yes,
Again,
I
which
have.
in Turkey, right?
Yes, yes.
Tell me about your experience in Turkey.
I will work in Turkey for 4 years. I serve four families. I take care 4 years old and 6 years old girl.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
I'll do cleaning, washing, take care the dog, and ironing.
Okay. Um, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have an idea how to prepare a meal
Yes,
for a newborn baby.
yes, sir.
Okay, what will you do if the newborn is crying?
I will check the temperature, maybe he's sick, and maybe he's hungry, and check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, what will you do?
I will call the parents and ask she is not stop crying. What should I do?
Okay. Um, for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Stir fried vegetable, steamed fish, steamed pork, pasta.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Because it's the safest country, high salary, and I will help my husband to support my children.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I will finish my contract, and as long as my employer need me, I will work as long as they need me.
Okay, so it is okay to extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in holiday set up by your employer.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs with other helper?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Please, ma'am, sir, madam, hire me because I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible person. And I will finish my contract as long as you need me. I will work with you. Thank you and God bless. Hope we will see you soon.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Bioli. Thank you.
Thanks.